Looking to build wider back and bigger biceps? These 6 exercises will help you pack on seriously size and strength. Number 1, chest supported incline barbell row. Target muscle lats, upper back and rear delt. This is a perfect exercise to eliminate cheating and keep streak form. Lean on an incline bench with chest supported. Lock yourself in place and grab the barbell with the shoulder with overhead grip. Lift it up with control. Squeeze your back hard to feel every inch of the rep and slowly lower the barbell. Perform 4 sets of and 8 to 12 reps. Number 2, dumbbell spider curl. Muscle work bicep peak full isolation. Lean facing down on an incline bench with your chest supported. Hold the dumbbell with your arms hanging straight down. Slowly curl the dumbbell. Hold at the top. Squeeze your biceps hard and keep your elbow locked in place. This your biceps who not that hit them. Go for a 3 sets of and 10 to 12 reps while at reps. Number 3, cable lat pull down. Target muscle lats and upper back. Grab the lat pull down bar with the wide grip and sit straight. Pull the bar toward your upper chest. Pause for a second, then control the movement back up. Don't swing, stay in control and feel that deep stretch. 4 sets of and 10 to 12 reps. Stay focused. Number 4, incline dumbbell curl. Target the long head of the biceps. Sit back on an incline bench with your back supported. Hold the dumbbell in each hand, arm fully extended. Curl the dumbbell up with 0 momentum. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds at the top, then lower them slowly. Do 3 sets of and 10 to 12 reps, nice and slow. Number 5, one arm dumbbell row. Target muscle lats, rhomboids and mid back. Support your shape on a bench or dumbbell rack with one hand. With your back flat and knees slightly bent, hold the one dumbbell in other hands. Pull the dumbbell out toward your hips by driving your elbow back. Squeeze your back and lower with control. Then switch other side. 3 sets of and 8 to 10 reps per arm. Go heavy but clean. Number 6, chin-ups. The OG back and bicep builder. Target the lats and biceps together. Grab the pull-ups bar with the shoulder with underhand grip and hang. Pull yourself up with full range of motion. Control the descent as you squeeze and lower. Cannot do many chin-ups. Start with assistant and build up. 3 sets to failure, giving it everything you have got.